Hello, hello. Okay, so we're working with here. Filling this daily pretty nicely here. Looks like the higher time frame. We're about to flip after this closure on this daily, and we're still pushing higher. It's very, very bullish. With 4 hour too, this closure here. Pretty bullish moving forward here. Just lots of not much of a target anywhere. Gonna mark this large side. This is that 680s where we had mega equal highs. That's like what I was heading for. We just demolish all these highs here. Just right before we had to take that move higher. A nice dip in Zyerly in the AM. Didn't really like price action in the morning, so I opted out. But back for PM now. I really haven't taken anything since. I mark everything I would. So yeah, made a high here, dipped down to the hourly, and then now we finally pursue that high. Check the 15-minute chart. Just very choppy, but bullish nevertheless. Just lots of wicks here, nodes of closure. All the wicks came down lower on the 15-minute. Everything closed above. Five-minute now. Push that high too. Are you trading FTT? I started recently. Not sure how that's gonna do. Let's see live on YouTube. Very strong push still. Hello, hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm gonna change this to bullish on the daily now, as we did get that closure above. That's what we wanted to see. Okay. Okay, let me just check we're good. Aaron live stream looks good. Cool, cool. Let's get ready to work. How's everyone doing today? Put the music on too. Start grinding. Oh, that's loud. Get set up and then we'll look for some trades. Okay, everything looks good. Catch it today. Do you think we should do that? We're gonna get hectic. Our luck won't continue to push like that. I feel like we're so close to getting payout. Like I don't want to see it jeopardized because we're just trolling. Feels like we should push or retrace a little before pushing up. Yeah, this is pretty bullish. Very, very bullish. This hourly retap here was like really the key to everything, where we dip into the internal fair value gap. I'm taking the liquidity there. And we're really just pushing up. Just watching the 15-minute here was pretty incredible here too. Really gonna push these highs. Only main thing, we don't really have much up holding us up, so we could just keep on pushing. The way that we put move down was very aggressive. Gotta fill this whole daily. I want to see this whole ES fair value gap get filled, but then eventually look to target these highs here. That's the most prominent high we can see all day. If you do a giveaway, let's get 100 likes and we'll do the giveaway. Let me find. Why do you like for a giveaway, guys? It's gonna just keep on grinding up like yesterday. I'm assuming here. It's crazy. Look at how we did from this low all the way from this high. Incredible. Can we go with a 5-minute? I'm pretty sure we already exceeded from this manipulation low here. Oh, we just tapped it. If we're looking at the low, all those manipulation leg here, which how I'll perceive it as. You can do this one too. This one would work as well. But yeah, we definitely surpassed it now. do the same thing on the ES here. Just gonna run it the lows all the way up to the last high candle. Far surpassed it. Very aggressive on the upside. So what do you guys think? What are you guys targeting? What is the draw? What is the narrative? What do you guys see? Let's see it again. For me, I said this in the Discord. It's a little bit difficult for me. Just such a large gap. I'm still gonna lead upside. But we just have such a large gap. And the way they moved up, this is a nice retracement, but now we're just gonna keep on pushing. It was so difficult. Asia low got taken. It was very nice. Now we're just pushing these highs. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of people are just looking at 690s. Okay, let's see. I hope we can get something today. That's a long stretch. 500. It's not that far when a lot of people are looking at 690s. ICT tricked everyone, calling for 600 before AM. He might have been looking for it with a PPI move, I guess, expecting something like that, but this is a lot of chop happening before that. Okay, nothing I'm gonna play here. Unless you guys want to tell me to long these highs. Which is probably the best thing I can do instead of shorting the highs. I know I'll get killed if I short the highs. What is ICT posting? I need to see him live trade, guys. Everyone's begging for him to live trade. He just got back on Twitter.
Update here. I won't be able to trade this afternoon. I have a date here with my wife. So I know
He said he has
a lot
a
of people out
date
there
here. I don't know if the volume
paid
is showing the
close
video.
attention today. and they heard me talk about how I was bullish, and I want you to take a look.
Okay.
All
We
this
log down here.
beautiful
Now
delivery,
log
and
more.
I want you to
How many accounts do you guys think
enjoy
ICC
it.
is using? Do you think he just used one account?
Afternoon, folks. Just a quick little
Let me turn that
update
off.
here.
It really came back to start beef with people, or I guess people already start beef with him. He just kind of ramped it up. But that's what happens though. Everyone praise him to death, which I'm also partly due to that. I'm not gonna. I don't really get into the drama of all this stuff though. I'm just focused on trading. That's what I want everyone here who's watching to be focused on as well. Send it to 420 for the culture. Is there anything at 420? Or just send them? Yeah, it's just a large ass gap. Which I'm not gonna be shocked if it does keep on pressing. I think it will. Oh yeah, I think Apex did update their sale. It's extended now. $85 for all PA lifetime fees. So like I know a lot of you guys don't like the large accounts. You like the 50K account. It's still $85. That is such a good value. If you just disregard all the drama with Apex, like as long as they're paying out, you follow the rules. You get a account for 50K is like what, $30? Let's say you buy 3 of them and pass one of them. That's a pretty easy thing to do. I feel like. That's like $90 for the eval, and then 85, like about $160 for a fund account. That's a pretty good value. We get extended, yeah. I mean, I'm not mad at it because I don't care about the 80%. I want them to keep on pushing the activation fee because I think that helps everyone here. Because without it, you're just paying either the monthly, which is $85 already, and 105 if it's trade of 8, or the lifetime fee is like 140 plus. That sucks. And more people use Trade of 8 than Rhythmic, so it's like that increase too. Instead of 85, it's like 105 a month. I don't even like doing monthly anymore though. No firm I have is like monthly for funded. Past 100K static, it's good, man. I'm still waiting for my payout on Apex for the recent one, the September. I think requested like September 5th. It's been like 7 days, not 7 trade days, just 7 days. And let me log in. It should say pending. I've been doing pretty darn good with Apex lately, though. I just get worried every time like it says pending for that long. Because I'm like, okay, I know what they did to Lanto. I know what they did to Kane. Kane, they paid him very well. I don't want to be. uh, it takes like 3 weeks. It takes the very last day to get approved for some reason. It never used to be like that. I'm trying my hardest not to blow the account either, but I have quite a hefty cushion on it. I have like 15K on the account, and every time I request, it goes down because it's like what's called 3,000. It just comes straight back up because like 10 days later, I'm just making consistent money on it. But they keep on teasing like they're gonna increase their payout speed, all that stuff. Like I'm waiting to see it happen. I'm praying that it happens. It's gonna help the community, man. Because still, a lot of you guys use Apex. Apex is still like one of the top ones right now. FTT is gaining traction, but they're still like the underdog. They're rising up for sure, though. Yeah, I have the trade rate connected on this account, so we can take some trades if we see any. Guys, keep on. If you see a setup that you really like, share it, and then I'll look at it, and then we might even execute live here. Then the CEO of FTT docs the user. The CEO, like, I wish he would just be more quiet. Because I feel like when he speaks, it's not a good image. Like, whether you like him or not, it doesn't help when he's like, he's very blunt, I guess, but then it turns people away. What's the firm name? It's Fast Track Trading. Mm-mm. But yeah, I did buy some accounts with Fast Track Trading. I'm starting them out. We'll see how that goes. Uh, if you guys want to use the referral link to start off too, it's 30% off right now. If anyone want to buy, if you buy in, I need 20K sales apparently. Yeah, I'll post a referral link. I need 20K sales. If anyone buys, I will rebate you the commission back, and maybe I'll rebate like 75%. If anyone wants an extra discount back, just for the viewers, I'm not gonna do it for that long. But like, I think how much do they cost? Let me look up the pricing again. It's like right now it's 30%. Let me see here. While we're waiting, because I don't think there's nothing happening right now. I like the 150K, but also like the 25. The 25K is not that bad. Hear me out here. Let's just pull out the calculator. 179. That's the full price, but like right now it's 30% off with BOGO. It's buy 5 get 1 free. So let's just say it's 30% off. It's probably around there. 179. 0.67. Let's just say 33% off. It's like 120 bucks for instant funded, right? You get how much drawdown? It's 5%. So is that 25? I don't know what 5% actually. 1250. All you need is 1250 to do a payout, or 1350 plus 100, and I think you can withdraw like $1,000 or something, whatever it is. So you do 20 accounts like that, and you spent like remember you spent only $120. That's pretty impressive. 2 minis, up to 20 micros. The only thing you gotta do is 20 consistent rule. So yeah, let's say you bought 10 accounts here. That's $1,200. You only need 1 payout to cover all that. That's not that bad. I actually like that. But if you want to go for the big one, the 150K gives you $3,000 withdrawal. They've been paying a hella big amount though, so like I can't say no to the numbers. Let's just go to payout junction here. I'm trying them out, like so. Like I'm also taking the risk. I don't know how they're gonna turn out. The last 7 days here, they paid out 1.8 million. My fund futures paid out just nearly as much, which is impressive for my fund futures. That's why I've been liking C2. But Fast Track Trading is doing more just because they have 20 accounts. Up to 20 accounts. So they've been paying 500K to 09. Wait, no, this is yesterday. Yesterday they paid 600,000. They didn't pay anything the 10th, the 9th, 500K. So a lot of 500K payouts. As long as you can focus on sustainability. I like the 150K though. Let me check the price. Yeah, like you buy 5 accounts, right? You get one free. So let's just do that. 5.99. 70% value. 419 times 5. That's $2,000 for 6 accounts because buy 5 get one free. So divide 6. It's about 349 per account. That's kind of similar to Top Step, almost. A little bit cheaper because you're not gonna pass your first try. So yeah, 349. What I was saying, like if anyone want to buy with a referral link, just because I need the commission or the sales so I can get a custom code, I'll rebate you the I think they give you 10%. So let's say you spend like, let's say you bought 10 accounts, 349, you spent 3K on it, 3,500. You're gonna get $349, or I'm gonna get 349 commission. I'll PayPal or Venmo you that. I'll do it for a few people if anyone's interested with that. Just let me know. I just hate promoting the referral link. I really like the custom code more because it's more universal. And I feel like it's less gummy. Yeah, but let me see. Yeah, I post a link? Let me just see. Yeah, I'll post a link. If anyone used the referral link, just DM me, and I'll repay you. I can also give a free account or something. Wow, we're pushing. What was the cheapest prop firm? I think the cheapest would be My Fund Futures. I would think so. Just because My Fund Futures starter, there's no activation fee, and it's dirt cheap. You can get funded for 50K for $76. That is probably the lowest you'll ever see. But yeah, lots of new firms. I'm still really endorsing the big three. It's Top Step, Apex, and My Fund Futures. I'm more partnered with Apex and My Fund Futures. Top Step, they're pretty self-sustainable. They don't need my promotion or anything like that. But I'm still endorsing them just because I recommend them. I have no hassle with them. Free promotion, I guess, which they don't even need. Anyways, let's keep on seeing. We're just pushing high. Like I said, this is very bullish. I would look for long setups, just grinding up. I think no eval firms will become the norm. I don't really agree with the price point though. I feel like it's too not sustainable. Unless they're going for like people who don't do the eval, they go straight to funded. They might perform worse just because that they didn't get through the eval first. Why give them a funded if they can't even do an eval? So I could see that being the angle of like why they're doing like more sustainability, but it's just too cheap because for you to get a instant funded for like let's say $300 and you get 4,500 to drawdown, that's a lot of drawdown, and you have to go through any trailing drawdowns. Keep in mind, remember Apex doing cheap evals? They get away with that because it's trailing drawdown. People suck with trailing drawdown. This is end of day drawdown for fast track trading and anyone who does the instant funding. Yeah, if you're still curious about instant funding, the other firm that does it is Tradeify. It basically has the same price point. Right now, I think it'll be cheaper because this is 50%, the other one's 30%. Or maybe it's the same, I don't know. 150K for 350. Or, like, how much is this? Instant funded. Oh, instant funded for 50K is still expensive. I was hoping to be like 350 and then you spend like 175. It's still very expensive. The 150K is probably the best route here. There's a daily loss limit. That's interesting. The other one didn't have daily loss limit. The same rules though. 20% rule, 10 trading days, and yeah, 15 minis. Not bad. Not bad at all. Someone just said Tradeify changed a couple rules. You can trade at any time. No news restrictions. Unfunded. They're allowing you to trade CPI. I feel like they're gonna just deny you because of it. Yeah, live trailing drawdown or unrealized trailing. That's what Apex does. And that's how they get away with cheap evals. Yeah, someone just said you can trade news with Tradeify now. They just changed it. Can you do that with fast track trading? I doubt it, but let me see. Let's go look it up. Does anyone know actually? I'm not getting anything. Can you trade news on fast track trading? Does my fund future deny payouts? I don't think they do. Early on, when people made a lot of money with expert, they were kind of giving some people hassles, but it's been pretty all clear. I've been pretty seeing in my whole community from Top Step and my fund futures. Surprisingly, my fund futures payout has been the smoothest out of the big three. Out of any firm, you get paid like in 5-10 minutes for the last few people. So you can trade news on both FTT and fast and the other one. Not bad, not bad. I think they let you trade news just because there's already a 20% consistency rule. Let's say you make like 5-10K on one day just from CPI, you're kind of you killed yourself because let's say you make 5K. Let's just say that 5K is pretty neutral with 15 minis on news. I think you could do that very easily. You need to make 25K total now. You need to make another 20K to get a payout. And then you can only make 3,000 every single time, or request 3,000 every time. There's no unlimited payout cap. Yeah, so like I think that's why. Anyways, let's look at longs, guys. Any longs? 5 minute fair value gap here. We didn't hit 420. Well, if you run it up on FTT, then hit the first payout, you can just do like $100 a day after 10 days. Oh, can you do that? You still gotta do the consistent rule, I guess. So if you do one big day, you still gotta balance it out, which sucks. 20% is very, very low. What if you full port the news on 25K? Guess what happens? Let's do that math here. You can do 2 minis. Let's say you full port. That's 2 minis. $20 per point, and you get like 50 points. You made $2,000. Now you gotta make 10K on that account. You make another $8,000. You think that's likely? I don't think so. It seems like a trap. When people don't realize that because his rules are very tight. Where's Desi? You know what? That's a good question. Someone spam Desi in the... Oh wait, he's in live stream right now. Yeah, but like I said, if anyone want to buy fast track trading, you can use my referral, and I'll rebate you the commission back. So if you spend like 3K on it, I'll give you that $300 back, or how much they ever give. If you want an extra discount, I'll just do it for the next 5 people probably, so I can get enough sales to get a custom code. But it's worth trying them out. I think they have potential. Just like Tradeify, I think they have potential too. Don't get it twisted though. They big three for a reason. They have history. You don't have to worry about getting payout for them. These are still newer firms. You don't know what's gonna happen. Let's say what happens if not enough people buy accounts and a lot of people request payouts just because they do big deals already. They're gonna get killed. They're gonna have to do like what Apex does. I think their rules right now are too good to be true. Like if there's only 20% against the rule, you don't need to make. You only need $500 a day. It's not sustainable. I think after a while, like every firm, if you trade prop firms, ETF do that. My fund future do that. They start limiting their rules as time progresses, and they introduce this slowly to protect themselves. How many accounts you can have in my fund futures? You can have 3 active funders and then 10 total, so you can have 7 reserves. The trading view, it comes with trading view. I think every firm usually does let you get free trading view. It's pretty good. This is very slow. Um, I don't think I'm ready to short yet though, unless I'm targeting like a quick scalp to down there. I still need to make some of my trades in today. I don't think I traded my Apex today at all. Let me check. No, I don't think I did. It's just concerning. Should log my days in. Yesterday we did pretty good though. It was good. Set my game straight. Alright, I'm gonna set up my accounts here. I hope I'm praying that we can get some good accounts or good trades on this trade account piece. I'm so close to payout. I'm actually so close. If I screw it up, I'm about to blame ChatGPT on this. Even though it kind of got me halfway. You aren't paying anything for TradingView with my fund future right now. Oh, I have already have my subscription with them. I think I have 2 years of TradingView. It's like $300 with 70% off or something. So I use TradingView for everything. I use it daily, so like it's worth the cost. And you can use a lot of indicators, which I like, and you can do a few other things with it. Buys upside, top right, update it. Higher time frame is bullish, intraday is bullish, low time frame is bullish. Only look for longs. If this inverse, I might go for this lows here. Should I do 1 minute? Oh, we just push it on ES. That is, I don't like that as much anymore. This is like pretty poor risk reward though. Good close, or good push right there. Didn't get closed yet, but good push though. 420 there. We still have a lot of time. I should be rushing in a trade. One day we'll get one. Guys, 100 likes for the giveaway. How much are we at? We're 46. Good push. Yeah, this closed cattle was too high up there. And I don't really have a clear target, so I'm not like it. I'm not loving it, but the bias is bullish. Oh, we just filled the whole daily. Yes, that's good. So I definitely want to see happen today. Pushing higher. Still got enough room to fill this 4 hour. I think it's gonna do it very soon here. I'm just like see tech as well. Tech been pushing this month. Both sides just moving aggressively. We just filled that whole gap on Nvidia. Really pushing. Like 120. Round number on Nvidia. I think we just keep on pressing higher. Do I just long the highs, guys? What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Drop a mini to long the highs. Nay. At least it's truthful. Yeah. I need public opinion on this. YOLO. Some people want me to for sure lose. Yeah, I'm gonna just like I'm doing 1 mini the highs. Let's do it. Everyone's saying yes. The moment I enter though, why is it always the worst entry? Yeah, but definitely don't try to follow if the, especially if I'm not sharing like a real setup. This is kind of our interview. So, but I think the bias is upside though. I wish I could have a better long entry though, something like a retap back down here, so I can have an appropriate stop, and then I'll probably put my stop in that inversion. Those are the type of things I like to go for rather than just blindly smacking longs just because we're pushing. What's the hell? The 4 hour fails at 446. Let's see what that. Why did it start struggling here? I could have locked anytime. I was looking at this long, or wait, the inversion closed. It got shy as soon as I enter. Trend is on my side. Yeah, that is true. That doesn't matter though because we're just so high up. The risk reward is negative right now. Just put a stop here. 8-point stop. How's the 30-second look like? This is a chat play. Yeah, it's likely I get stopped out here. I don't like logging these highs. Just 8 points is fine. It's not a better setup though. At least we're back inside here. If we're bullish, that's something. We have this order block here. I'm gonna be keen for that. This might be the better long here. Better risk reward. I gotta fade chat sometimes though. Order block. It's 5 here. Well, yeah, we're actually at 98. Straight by legit. They're just too new. No one knows. But I think they're worth a shot. Good play, chat. 8 points. Took me out. Let me get this out there. Next trade, guys. Oh, popped over 600. 5,600. Very bullish. Did we look at longs again? Where is Nick? 445. Don't know. What do you see at 445? I just see that 4-hour fill. I think we'll squeeze up. Let's see. Guys, long or short? Or nothing. Say nothing if you think price is not tradable or not. I shouldn't take anything. Market long, no stop loss. Long, nothing. Half says long, half says nothing. I also need to focus while we're doing this kind of for fun. I need to focus if there's actually a good trade to take. I might try to go for this entry here though. I'm gonna do a tight stop probably on here. There's a 5-minute here. I definitely want to see this tap back down and try this out. Put one at eternal high. Alright, I need to put my stop in. What did this stop? It's like 9 points. I'm happy with that. $4.45 to fill this 4-hour gap. Get a push here. Come on. Drift this here. Don't know if this is the right play here. We're gonna stop up a little bit. I'm gonna move the stop up. I'll move at 40 here. Let's get this closed. Let's trail. I think 4.45 is something I want to see too. That 4-hour fill is what I'm going for. Stalling. Just rip this through here. Thank you. Alright, first trade of the day. What are we at? $500. Let's go. 2 minis, not bad. Easy work. Easy work. I think we keep on ripping though. I'm trying to base hits because we're so close to payout. I think theoretically this should be at payout already, but I think I need to figure out what my highest day is. It's probably 2,000, so I need 10K probably. But usually you only need 7,500 or 7,600. Just guys, remind me in the chat while I'm trying to like play for fun, like doing 1 mini. I also need to focus on finding good setups. If this was like where I kind of didn't look at that chat anymore, just trying to seek for the setup. Sometimes I do get caught up, and I shouldn't let that trail though. I'm still working on that. Like I think I'm just getting a little bit conflicted just because we're so close to payout. All right, let's move forward. Oh, this is full screen. How does that look full screen? Is that full screen better? I took some of that trade on Apex. I'm still holding a little bit, but 1,400 on it. That's pretty good. 4 counts. I have other counts, but I'm just gonna log a day on the rest. Bullish on all 3 time frames. This is something trade checklists. I typed it in myself. So it's just basically a text box. It's nothing creative. All right. Oh yeah, I don't like full screen because I can't flip time frame. That's why. I wanted this to hit here. This has been my really core entry here. This 5-minute bridge tap. That's been beautiful. So what did I? How many points did I get there? I long at 24. Got the first one at 13 points at that recent high, and then the last one at 44. About 22 points. Good. What do you guys think about showing it live with this firm here? I can't do it with Apex just because I think they don't want me to do that. My fun features, I think I can do at least. Top Step, I should be able to do it. Top Step, mine is on NinjaTrader. I haven't connected Trading View. Push, it probably has one more push here, and then we get a nice retrace. Just look at the higher time frame, like where we're starting to fill a lot of the gaps. This is what I'm kind of thinking right now. One more. I don't want to time the top though. I'm pretty bad at doing that. But let me see if I were to take a guess here. I want to take this high up first. 4-hour fill here. We got the open hollows close candle here. We're like very close to these daily distribution targets. Besides that, yeah, 519. The next target here. Mm-hmm. 2 p.m. candle. I'm in that macro right now. Just basically like I said, I think we had one more run. I did not want to show that trade. Just took a quick scalp off of that. Thank God it didn't work though. That was a quick one. I took 66 here. Took one at 3 for 6 points and the other one at 50. That was a quick drop. Yeah. So yeah, look at the 4-hour. We did get a fill already, and then I'm looking at the hourly here. Filling all these gaps here, getting very close to distribution targets. I'm expecting this to retrace a little bit back down first before next run higher. It's just very hard to time the top here, but do something like that. 38. That's good retrace. That is a really good retrace. Would like low 30s though. This could probably rip through here now. Do I long the top here? I hate this, but like it probably is your best bet. Just past my point of future with his last bull run. That last push, yeah. Ride the order flow, ride the bias, ride everything. Until we see otherwise. Like even the 5 minute, like we want to see a 5 minute flip there. If we get a close under this, what happens? This fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap, 5 minute order block, both violated. If we get a pushed out here. So until then, let's just keep on riding the upside. I have a 5 minute here though. If you're asking about what indicator I'm using, just go to the Discord and open the pin message on the general chat. It shows all the indicator I'm using. I'm gonna be right back. Some water. Okay, we're back. Still not moving anywhere. Let's see. 100 likes for the giveaway, guys. We're at 65. Pretty slow right now. I'm just only looking for longs right now. Are you watching the 2024 mentorship? Guys, press 1 if you're watching the 2024 mentorship. Press 2 if you're not. I haven't been watching. I think maybe the last one I watched a little bit, it was 2023. I didn't even know this 2024. For those who press 1, is it good? What is there for him to add more to his teaching? That's kind of what I'm thinking about. Like, is there more to his? Is there new things? I think we just keep on looking for longs. We haven't really violated anything yet on the downside. Yeah, I think overcomplicating might be pretty difficult for new people. He already has enough information out there. Little SMT here. It's gonna mark on only on ES unless we get a new high here. I'm surprised all the 1 minute fair value gaps has been holding beautifully. If you look at it. If this holds here, we're gonna just really push harder. Has there been a 1 minute fair value gap that got violated yet? I don't know if I see any. That's just how bullish we are. This was the entry that we took here where we retraced back into it and pushed higher. Pretty easy play there. The moment it flips is gonna be so aggressive. This might be the first inverse here. We have SMT already. Chat. Try 1 minute short if this close under, yes or no. Or you can say no. That'd be way too quick, but like maybe like a quick push down for like 10 points. Yes, no, yes, I don't know. Does not look the best, but hell no. I think there's a lot of people saying no, so we'll opt out of it. Let's see this if this close first. I'll consider maybe retapping and just do a very tight stop. Start stalling out pretty hard here. No close yet. Wait a second now. Daily chart. Got close under here. Good see you. This is the first one in the 1 minute. What the heck? Oh, took too much. Try to put a limit order in. What the heck? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I got in late there. It's all good. I put the limit order in. I barely got filled on that one. Yeah, you have SMT with ES here. Thank you. That's what I talked about. But yeah, inversion closure, pushing down. Good. I was gonna say I was not gonna look at longs until we get a 5-minute tap here. This is opportunity, but I would wait for confirmation on the 1 minute too. But the short I think was pretty clear there. We didn't get tapped the 5 minute yet. I think we should look for short still. We'll look for the short here. Short note inversion. Good. Wait, so 5 minute is... Oh, we just deep drive. I didn't see it. That was quick. When did that happen? Oh. Still move lower. We want to see if this even wants to hold. Because the bias could be flipping here now. We have a lot of tracement the way back down. I like this though. This is a 15-minute retap on ES. This starts something that's gonna bring us a setup for longs if this could flip here. That inversion retap was a quick entry. If they don't want to be able to get that. Even this closure was nice too. Let's see this press down. I like still lower for now until we can get a nice flip. Pay attention to the close. We can wick up if it just continues closing down. Back to the inversion here. What does everyone in chat think? Short or long here? I'll take it short. Short. That's what the consensus say. We'll try to do one. I'm so late with trading view. Already smacked it in. Just gotta be careful with where you put your stop or where you get out the trade, because if we do get a closing above this inversion, above 50s, that's already get very difficult. I'll give a few point stops on it. Anything. The hourly looks like the hourly just closed too. I don't. Oh, yeah. I don't think I'm getting filled on this one. So it took on Apex, but I'm always a little late on trading view. I have it at 46 right now. So what I have right now. Take one F10. See if this can push down. There we go. See if this one impulse through this. I don't really like this on this tap. I got my trim there. I don't know if I want to go for a third tap now. I'll set this one out on Tradeify. This is holding pretty decent though. Can definitely see this flip. We got a 5-minute. If I got re-tap. We just barely sniped this long here for that wick. That's why I was always going for internal lows. Let's see if we want to impulse down now. Come on. It's fighting, it's just back and forth. Let's see what one does. Very tight price action. I could try to trade the second account. Did we make 500 bucks on this on the first trade? 487. Yeah, I'll log that in. I still have like 5 more trading days. I could definitely make on the rest of the days. But just trade on the next account. Probably go for 500 on this too if I can. S&T inside the figure I have, yeah, and you did do a pop higher. I'm not interested too much on re-tapping this. This is fighting way too much. ES could really bring down NQ though. Long to the 5 minutes violated, yeah, but NQ is holding still. This is what's holding. Yes is really trying to drag down Q. Let's potentially look at longs. There's like longs. If so, where? I'm sorry this hasn't got a nice close yet. I was gonna set it here, but I'm gonna move it up. This divergence is kind of trippy. Should have grabbed it. If I can reach up there. I was considering it, man. Missed it. Sucked. ES really spooked me out a little bit. Took the highs on NQ already, wow. SMT. This might actually push down now. That 5-minute tap, and keep taking the highs. Watching this 1 minute here. Close under. If this comes back in, I think it's a short. It's probably we'll put a stop above 70. I want to wait for this close though. It's happening way too quick. Yeah, I'm not getting it yet. I wanted the closure first. Oh, delay the BPR, but didn't do that. Oh well. Long it up. Okay, let's look at longs. Especially with this close above. Long the highs, long the highs. Impulse to this higher. Go on, man. What was happening? I might try her along here. I'll just put it somewhere. This got a nice closure above. Let's 5-minute close. Another wick higher. Nothing yet though. I'm just gonna move this out. I just want to seek for a long position though. Do I need to go like 69 here? Two. I'll try it. I'll try it. Sort of block here. Get an impulse to the highs. This could go sideways. It's so aggressive. I see. It's really aggressive. Probably shouldn't be touching this. Let's see. I need to say impulse now. Especially after ES did a wick under there. Doesn't go now with climbing it. I'm gonna give one candle here. One trend. It is kind of a hard session. Do I let this trail me here? Just be taking base hits. Probably was up to 500 at one point. Took me out. Let me see what the execution look like. 69 here. I don't even know what that says. 78, like 9 points, and then +1. Wow, look at that. That save. Honestly, just because I didn't try last time, I tried this time, but I would probably take it out and pop over 80s. This is like a low risk reward type of trade when you're trading like that. But it is what it is. Next trade. I wasn't really paying attention to chat. If anyone said anything, let's see here. The risk reward just playing aggressive on the upside is very, very difficult. Like if that didn't push higher in the next candle, I would have probably closed it maybe for a few points. I think my stop was just like right at 54. So playing a little dangerously close. But yeah, I think what I liked about that was ES did that push down and Q didn't, and then we were able to come back up. I really expected ES to take out this high though, and that would help NQ push higher too. Failed to do so. It's pretty much difficult for this session though. Nothing's easy here. I wish it was easy. But yeah, that could have been a really good trade if it kept on pushing. Alright, well yeah, 2:30, so you have time for a few more trades. Yeah, $200. Maybe I'll take one more trade on this account, or I should trade on the 50K account too. This is an account that we hit the daily loss limit yesterday. This is the only time I hit the daily loss limit, and that was, I remember it. It was when we said long or short. ChatGPT said, I think short, and then the moment I entered, zoom 20-point candle. Yeah, I still like longs. I think just based off the close, longs is probably more favorable. Unless we get close under, then I would go against it. But yeah, good risk management today. I mean, not playing stupid. I got 2.1k after saying I wouldn't trade anymore. That's the hard part of trading too, knowing when to stop. And so you just keep on going. This looks pretty healthy right now. Unless equal highs. Oh, okay, let's see. Might go for this long here. I might just market it in here. The moment the first wick down, I'll try to mark it in. Don't tease me, don't tease me, don't tease me. Goes above. This looks good for longs. I like this for longs right now with the trend on the favor too. I should have just marked it in. I was looking for the wick down and I missed it. Don't chase, don't chase, don't chase. Unless some equal highs on ES2. I had two. It's a 50k count. See if it fills me here. What a stupid price action. I should have marketed it. These are regrets. Like I like this long already. I mean, we could have got a nice 10 points out of that. Even earlier than that too. Try to be precise with it. It's hard to get entries out here. IC is offering 4 million to Romeo just for proof of CRT and live stream. 4 million? That's a lot of money. All the influencers, or more like the trading space, the trading world, they keep on touting like a lot of money. Like, do this, do this. We'll do 500k. Do nothing happens. I swear nothing happens. Still probably look for longs, guys. There's a BPR here. I could try this at least, but gotta catch a knife after we just took out the high. Maybe we'll throw in one. It's a tough session. Well, what you're talking, I think we're looking at 519 right now. That'd be lovely. We can get 519. I just gotta be careful of just along the top. What happens when you get along the top? Like this big stop point here. Stop point. Just be very careful. Closing charts, these are so boring. Miguel said. Someone just said Patrick Wheelian is on board with Fast Track Trading now. He drove the bag wagon. He just posted a video 6 minutes ago.
Or rhythmic platforms. I'm new to
Why did My for the Future make resets 80 instead of 50? It's because there's no activation fee. It's priced in. It was the same thing as like Top Step, or the resets are $150. I think it's more favorable that way, anyways. Would you want to spend a lot more on activation fee? I wouldn't think so. Damn, this is so slow. You've heard top there. I don't even know if this is gonna do well anymore. I'm trying the 50k account here. It just looks so bearish now. Or it looks like I don't like it when we stall at the highs. It's always not good to see. Lots of good closure above though. We hit the daily distribution target at 481.02. Pretty good. I have one in this BPR. Probably gonna kill it if we get close under 60. This is a very tight one. It's also a good way for me to log my trading day on this account. This account is already messy though. How much am I supposed to make on this account? $500. I think 500. Max win. Lots of bearish candles now, man. I don't really have too much hope in this. It's just so slow. I can't really take this either. See if I can make break even stop sit in there. Can I do this without just smacking down? Sword. It's gonna just take me out instantly. What'd I say? This always happens to me. It doesn't really look that good anymore. It looks like it's gonna dump. Yeah. Oh. Very held. Let's, if we get a nice close above, I'll re-enter one. I don't know, man. Forcing stuff at this point. Might be. Thursday for close. Just gonna re-entry back in there. That I don't like that. That didn't close yet. I didn't see it. Yeah, I thought I closed. Even wicking is not that good here. But if I give a stop, if we could get above that wick again. Oh. Whatever, we'll just do a tight stop on this. Yep. I want to see a close above first. That didn't even get close. I should have touched that. Now we got to be. It's whatever. It's like 3 points. I think it basically make me net positive. This is what I want. If this can close above, I like this for a run now. Close above those wicks, because what we see is like we got a closure down here, wick up, wick down. Yeah, I might have missed it. Let me see. Ooh. I'll try one more. Try close if it gets a close back down under 62s most likely. Let's see this push here. I'm kind of letting it. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm kind of letting it like do a very tight stop, and if it does deliver my way, I want to hold it out, but it's not really doing that. It's not giving me a chance. Yeah. This count is already kind of washed up anyways. I'm more concerned about these two 150Ks. These are my one that I like. Every time, man. That was disgusting. Looks pretty bearish now. So many wicks up. We got one closure, and that was a false close. There's a lot of chop right now. Just back and forth, so playing the edges would help a lot here. No breakers, no anything here. Wow. It's the first big move here. Didn't really get anything out of it. Sucks. Wow. What the fuck is that? What just happened? I just flushed down so hard. See, let's pump that back up. Yeah. I didn't know where this came from. Should I be trading this? They really got fed up there. Nice 50-minute top though. Are we up on this count? 200? I'll try one more trade on this count. Let's see if we get anything. What is it? Long or short? Long, stop run, long, short 425. Forge is the one that says short 425. I mean, we're doing good today at least. We're pretty green today. That 20-point play on NQ really helped set it up for them. Yeah, it looks like FTT. There are a lot of people in the chat. They're going crazy. A lot of people are complaining. Rhythmic issue, but it's already blatant that there has been issues. So a lot of people are complaining right now. Probably weren't even affected by the outage that they're saying. That short was perfect delivery. Yeah, I don't think I was really paying attention too much. Once we got closed under, I should have looked at it, but that was quick. Top step. Yeah, I think I did hear about top step too. I do have mine on Ninja. Yeah, I do have everything. I don't think I had problems with it though. Which reminds me, I do need to take some trades on my top step. Force a trade for $200. This is about to run it all the way back up. This is incredible. Everyone who did say long did good read there. This is a good top line. I was just hesitant, just a large gap. But it's probably the best case to just sit out though. When you allowed to trade your top step on the trading view, you can't connect it. Trade view is only with trade of 8. And it's sad about Rhythmic, it doesn't connect. And top step is the only one where if you get a trade of 8 account, you can't connect it to mini trader. So it's already kind of a known topic. Think about walk this all the way back up. It's like, what stop run? Where, guys, if those who say long, where do you want to long? Three-second inversion. You know what? Let's see. The 1 minute does not show shit. Look at the 5-minute PDRA. Oof. Good hold. It is quite volatile though. That was like basically a 100-point run in 2 candles. 3 candles. Imagine getting wiped out in 3 candles. Might try a long somewhere down here though. Do 1 contract on this. It's not 50K. I got a lot of wiggle room. We're up a few hundred on it already. 200 this one, and I think 500 the other one. Or I think the safer bet is you wait for it to wherever it goes and then buy on the move back up. So it could be off of inversion here. I'll do 1 starter here and I'll likely put my stop down. Get it at this nested order block and throw it up on 30-second chart. 522 or liquidity, yes. That's what we talking about. Going pretty well. Oh. Dude, power, I might just rip this to 5. Was it 515? I think we're going for 519. Oh. Why did I do that? I put my limit orders in. Oh, I see. Looking for longs down here. We can get it. We kind of brushed it. I don't even know if I get this entry or not. It's taking so long. Ah, that went in 5 minutes. Okay. Ooh. Did not get that. How fun. Since I missed that, I'll move it a few points down. Put the stop here. About 10-point stop. Incredible if I missed that. Just what the order block is. That might be it for me if I missed that long right there. It was the only good long I liked. That's so disgusting, man. That's filthy. Absolutely filthy. Did anyone got that? Catch that air? Hit 33. I had it. I'm pretty sure I had it 32, man. Like, how is it 1 point off? That would have been already like 13 points. It's disgusting. Nice order block bounce on both NQ and ES though. If we don't get the 100 likes with probably the next 10 minutes, which I'll probably stick around for, we're not gonna get the giveaway, guys. Let me know if we get 100 likes. I'll check it. We're gonna do the giveaway. Almost basically wrapping up for the session though. Only account I didn't trade was Top Step, man. Forgot about Top Step. Did go to my one though. Doing pretty well on them. There's a lot of different copy trading, but pretty good. These are my main accounts up there. $100 likes. Okay, see, it's just a little incentive for you guys to want it. Alright, let's do the giveaway now. Just subscribe and like the stream. Comment your username one time. That is so filthy. I had my long limit at 32, hit 33. 1 point off. Absolutely filthy, man. 30 points already. That would have been nice to end it with a good long there. Would have been lovely. Yeah, I just canceled it. I forgot about that. Okay, let's pick the giveaway now. Giveaway for today is, let's see. Actually, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes to enter first. Way too early, actually. So that should be good. Give you 3 minutes. Lucas Wick is the giveaway winner for today. I'll give Lucas 5 minutes to claim if he's still here. There he is, Lucas Wick. All right, yeah. DM me on Discord, Lucas Wick, and I'll get you right there. Made good stream today, guys. Made 200 on this count, and then clean almost 500 on this count. Getting very close to that payout. We're just doing it on YouTube, basically. Pretty good and fun. Wrap up the stream soon here. Yeah, congrats to Lewis there. I'm gonna end the stream here. I think we'll have a trio stream tomorrow. Trio or duo? I know one of them said they wanted to join, but most likely 3. Lanto and Desi in here. I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. Have a good one. Join the Discord if you want to. I just opened it. It's free right now. It's in the description. I'll post a link though before we leave. I'll be active in the morning there. There's a Discord link. And that'll be it.